Alright, I'm back with another quick video. Because again, this page is kind of short. So, just looking through this selection here, there's not many, interesting selections here for vacuums. A lot of them are, I can see one compact canister straight section. And then you have two full size, that's one straight section and one with a power nozzle. Power nozzle option would probably be better for if you have carpets. Here in the uprights, we actually see another Dyson. Here, that's a DC-25. Right next to it is a much cheaper upright that you could easy clean, seen in the last page. This is where you can definitely tell the difference in technology, but also like kind of what they offer, what the differences are. And I can tell you, money being no object, I would have paid $600 for the Dyson easily, without a doubt, compared to $90 for the Eureka. And obviously, it's obviously a big reason that the Dyson technology is a lot better, in my opinion. And this, almost seems like it's kind of a fact. And you can see the difference, obviously, between these two. Um, I'll pull out my little stylus here. Obviously, the big difference is how they handle fine dust. So with the Eureka, they have a pleated cartridge filter in the middle. And whereas that clogs up easily and loses suction. Because you have fine dust that enters in, either it comes in and gets swirled on a cyclone. A lot of fine dust comes in, plugs up, tries to pass through that filter. Has to pass through that filter, so it gets a lot of fine dust trying to go through it. Fine dust gets trapped. But you get a lot of fine dust coming through it, gets clogged. You lose airflow or suction power. Now with the Dyson, it's much, much different. They have these high efficiency cyclones. Instead of a physical pleated filter, you have these cyclones here that separate the really fine dust from the airflow. By spinning the air at really fast speeds, dust gets spun at really fast speeds, kind of like the spin cycle in the washing machine. The dust gets flown to the sides of the cyclones, and since it become at the speed that the dust is being spun at, that fine dust all of a sudden becomes a lot heavier, and so it ends up falling right in the bottom of the inner chamber of that dirt cup. So you get no loss of suction. Pretty simple. That's why Dysons are pretty much king in the bagless market, because they work. To me, they work that well. At least I've had one. I've had one for before. They work really well. Some of the other options. Here's your stick vac options. This has a lift off, cordless stick vac. Pretty simple. Hand vac detaches off. Kind of same thing for the Ergo Rapid though. Kind of same concept, so nothing new there. Hoover is their Platinum Collection stick vac that has wind tunnel technology on it. That's called Lynx stick vac. It used to be called Platinum Collection. But yeah, that's stick vac with wind tunnel technology, so it does a pretty good job with quick pickups as well. And in your hand vac section, there's a pet erasers. Hand vac, there's the Bissell Spot Bot Pet, which is kind of almost like a little green, has a little feet, has an automatic feature. This little brush here. Technically works is you put it on a spot, and then I guess there's a spot bot setting, and that little setting allows it to run a cycle where it goes and agitates the carpet and puts suction to that spot to clean it out. And here we see the Dyson DC-34, which is an improvement upon for Dyson handhelds. It's a lot better. It's a more improved design, but than improvement on the DC-16 design. It made the bin bigger. They probably gave it more power, by more runtime. And then eventually started making digital slim stick vacs, which basically is a precursor to the Dyson V-Series for their stick vacs. But yeah, that's the quick rundown for the vacuum section catalog for these catalogs. Check see if there's more. These more as I can. And then I'll continue on with the JCPenney catalogs. Maybe I might do Mike Army Ward and Sears. I'm not sure. Anyway, feel free to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.